In the framework of the Interact Northwest Europe Blockstart project, I am glad to present the free training that my company offers to SMEs interested in the blockchain technology. 23Consulting is a Paris-based firm specialized in supporting healthcare organizations in developing blockchain projects. We have been the first to enter the blockchain and healthcare space over 5 years ago and have since worked with leading healthcare organizations. Among our clients, health and blockchain startups, top pharmaceutical companies, European health facilities, and renowned NGOs. As a pharmacist myself, I have seen how concerned patients are with the protection of their health data or the drug development process. They continuously ask for more transparency, especially in the context of the pandemic. So I truly believe that blockchain offers a unique opportunity to create more trust between health organizations and patients for better outcomes. All our trainings are designed for SMEs working in the healthcare industry and curious about the use of blockchain technology. We personalize all our trainings so it better suits the needs of the SMEs we work with. When starting a blockchain project, it is usually hard to imagine the different steps required to go from a simple idea to your first prototype or testing phase. Working with our clients, we have developed a methodology to take you from a simple idea drafted on a paper to a full plot. When starting a blockchain project, it is usually hard to imagine the different steps required to go from a simple idea to your first prototype or testing phase. Working with our clients, we have developed a methodology to take you from a simple idea drafted on a paper to a full pilot project. In this training, you will learn what is blockchain technology and what are its use cases in healthcare, how to assess whether or not blockchain is the correct solution in your case, what are the different steps to build a blockchain use case, and how to put your idea into practice and design a pilot project. If you need more information regarding this opportunity, head over to the Blockstart website, and I hope to see you soon.